When we create a graph in Excel, the default is very plain. It has no labels, and it is monochromatic. But we want to use graphs to liven up our data sets. They should present the data dynamically and emphasize the important parts. So we will want to adjust the display of our graphs. Let's look at the example from the previous resource. We built the bar graph for the scores in a statistics class. We even figured out how to include a title. But what about the other possible features for a graph? When we look at the graph, we see three icons next to the picture: a plus sign, a paintbrush, and a funnel. If we click on the plus sign, it gives us a menu of elements we can add to the graph. We will include axis titles. We label the horizontal axis as score range, and we will label the vertical axis quantity. The paintbrush allows us to change the displayed color, but it will still be monochromatic. The funnel edits the data points used to create the graph. So long as we highlight the correct values when creating the graph, we will not have to use the funnel icon. These features are also available on the ribbon at the top of the page. For example, suppose we want to include the data table with the bar graph. Click on Add Chart Element, then Data Table. We want to include a legend key, so we click on that. When this shows up on our graph, now the horizontal axis is double labeled. We can click in Add Chart Element, select Axis Titles, and click on Primary Horizontal to remove the label we provided. We also want to edit our title. We can click on Add Chart Element, Chart Title, and now we want to have it as a centered overlay. But we also want to edit the title to be more descriptive. So we click into the box, highlight the whole thing by pressing Ctrl A, and we will call this Statistics Scores. And click out of it so that our title is finalized. But our graph is still kind of boring. Let's right-click on the graph, somewhere where there's open space, select Change Chart Type. Now we can have each of the bars be a different color. So let's select that option and then click OK. Now our graph is more presentable.